we are. Hello to you from Tahoe Meadows here along the Mount Rose Highway. Little weather update. People are out here in the snow, as you can see. Diehards. It's really starting to come down now. Oh, the wind. Whoa. We get some wind gusts here, quite intense. And the storm just starting to move in. I just looked at the radar, heavy precipitation. We're right on the edge of it here. Oh boy, look at my lens. It was all rain pretty much until we hit the ski area. And then it started to snow. Excuse me here as I wipe my lens. There we go. All right, got a guy out here with his dogs. And saw some people sledding over here. All right, we get a little lull in the storm, or the winds die down a little bit. And they pick right back up. Roads are pretty slushy. Again, kind of a rain-snow mix till you get up here, but you can see we might get hit by some slush. There we go. Ooh, and right there we get the winds just ramp up. There's Laura. Thanks to Laura for driving up here while I do the video. Oh yeah, it's kind of a wet rain-snow mix right now. You can see her jacket. Just a little amount of time. Wow, you can see the snow here. Check it out. Tahoe Meadows. As our storm, again, just starting to really move into the area now. And it'll continue to be like this all the way through next week. Believe it or not. Pretty good fetch of moisture coming in all the way from the tropics. That's why snow levels are right around 8,000 feet. There's the dogs. Hey, puppies. Ooh, it is cold. You see how slushy the roads are. Look at that. People coming down from the ski area. All right. How you doing? How you doing, puppy? Good dog. Good dog. Good dogs. Yeah, play in the snow today. All right, that's the update from the Tahoe Meadows here. As the storm. There we go. Storm barreling down on the Sierra Nevada mountains. It'll be with us all the way through about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Cold front comes in Monday. Snow levels are going to drop to the valley floor. You can see some snow in Reno, along with some rain and heavy winds too tomorrow, Sunday. It'll be very windy as the system gets bunched up against the mountains and moves on into the Sierra. Those dogs are ready to go. Pretty dogs. But check out the conditions up here. There's a shot. Look at that. Yeah, it is just coming down. Brr. All right, we'll keep you updated. We're going to play in the snow here a little bit. Thanks so much for watching. We really appreciate you. And stay tuned on the weather. Dogs are ready to go. All right, how fun is that? Whew. Oh, they see another dog over there. Oh, my hands are cold. All right, stay safe out there. Have a good evening. And stay tuned to the weather. This is great. See you out there. Bye-bye.